Today, we're diving deep into the immersive world of cinema with the Optoma UHD38 projector. First, let's talk design. The Optoma UHD38 isn't just a powerhouse of technology, it's also a masterpiece of craftsmanship. With its compact dimensions and stylish plastic casing, it effortlessly blends into any living space, adding a touch of sophistication. But beauty is not just skin deep. The UHD38 prioritizes performance with its innovative cooling system, ensuring optimal airflow and reliable operation. And yes, while it may generate some minor light leaks depending on placement, they're easily mitigated for an optimal viewing experience. Now, let's talk about what really matters: the stunning visuals that this projector delivers. Powered by Texas Instruments DLP technology and boasting a native resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels, the UHD38 achieves true UHD 4 Kelvin imagery with its XPR technology. That means 4 times the detail of 1080 PHD, bringing every scene to life with breathtaking clarity. With a robust 240-watt UHP lamp and exceptional brightness of up to 4,000 lumens, the UHD38 ensures vivid imagery that pops off the screen. And with support for HDR10 and HLG formats, you'll experience exceptional contrast and color reproduction, whether you're watching the latest blockbusters or streaming your favorite shows. Pros: stylish design, compact, good cooling system, high resolution, vivid picture with bright lumens, HDR support, low input lag for gamers, easy to set up, 3D compatible for immersive experience. Cons: minor light leaks possible depending on placement. Not truly native 4 Kelvin, uses XPR technology. With impressive input lag ranging from 16 ms to just 4.2 ms, the UHD38 ensures you'll never miss a moment of the action. Say goodbye to lag and hello to immersive gaming like never before. Setting up the Optoma UHD38 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design and convenient features. Whether you're connecting a Blu-ray player, gaming console, or streaming device, you'll be up and running in no time. And for those who crave an extra dimension to their viewing experience, the UHD38's 1080p 3D compatibility delivers cinematic magic right in your own home. Simply grab your DLP-Link compatible 3D glasses and immerse yourself in a world of depth and realism. In conclusion, the Optoma UHD38 projector is not just a piece of technology, it's a gateway to a world of cinematic wonders. With its stunning visuals, immersive 3D capability, and seamless connectivity options, it transforms your living room into a captivating cinematic escape. So why wait? Experience the next level of home entertainment with the Optoma UHD38 projector today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.